Might luck out and get something good here, but I like to take as much video as I can, because I remember when the maintenance siding used to go the whole way up here. Track number 2. Lead units, 2 units, they're all dash 9. Most of the time you see those ES units, you see them, you see the aces. I wonder if he's all single stack.
Yeah, them apples trash 8s, they look like aping lights.
Oh yeah. Matt Hostler up at the club, he has a couple of the ones with sound. They're nice. HO. They're very, very nice. I have a video on here. I was pulling his cold train with my SD50s, and we used 2 of those as helpers.
I've seen them when they first got there. They used them as helpers. Test them out.
Have you ever been down at the other rail fanning spot?
Where's that?
Right underneath the 8th Street Bridge where we used to go down there. We used to sit on that wall. Down there where New Enterprise used to be at, down by the old the 8th Street Bridge.
Yeah, I have been down here.
Yeah. I'll show you it sometimes. It's underneath the bridge. Like if you go down past Alpena Pipe and Still on 9th Avenue, there's a little guardrail there. We used to sit there a long time ago and watch trains during the Conrail days.
It's like we used to wear that. We wear a couple of
They do. They do.
It's like, where the fuck did they come from?
I know.
Walking all over this and watching them. They can walk down here and get back over.
They probably live under the damn bridge. Air Power DOT.